Mark. You look a bit stressed.
Yeah, I am.
What happened?
I tried to take a taxi this morning,
Okay.
and it was very awkward.
Oh no.
I didn't know what to say to the driver.
Really?
Yeah, I just stood there,
That sounds uncomfortable.
very uncomfortable.
What did you do?
I just said nothing.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Okay, let's stop right here. Imagine you are Mark. You want to take a taxi. What do you say?
I don't know.
That's normal. So here's the key. Keep it simple.
Okay.
Just say this. Can you take me to?
Oh, can you take me to?
Perfect. Very useful sentence. Now, add a place. Can you take me to the airport?
Oh, can you take me to the airport?
Perfect. Now let's go back to your situation. You talk to the driver. What do you say?
Can you take me to the airport?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. That is real life English. Now let's make it more natural.
Okay.
Add this. Hi, can you take me to the airport?
Oh, hi. Can you take me to the airport?
Perfect. That sounds friendly. Now another situation.
Okay.
You already booked a ride. So you say, Are you the driver for Mark?
Oh, are you the driver for Mark?
Perfect. Full situation.
Okay. Hi, are you the driver for Mark?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. But let's continue your ride.
Okay.
You got in the taxi,
Yes.
but you don't know the price.
Oh,
What happened?
I was not sure how much it would cost.
That's very common.
Yeah, I didn't know what to ask.
That's the problem. Okay, stop here. Imagine you are in the taxi. You want to ask the price. What do you say? You say this. How much will it cost?
Oh, how much will it cost?
Perfect. Very useful. Full situation.
Okay. How much will it cost?
Around $10.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now let's continue.
Okay.
You are in the car,
Yes.
but you're not sure about the route.
Oh.
So what do you say? You say this. Is this the fastest way?
Oh. Is this the fastest way?
Perfect. Very natural. Or, is there a better way?
Oh. Is there a better way?
Perfect. Now let's add a problem.
Okay.
You think the driver is going the wrong way.
Oh no.
So what do you say?
Hmm.
You say this. I think this is the wrong way.
Oh. I think this is the wrong way.
Perfect. Very real situation. Or, can you go this way?
Oh. Can you go this way?
Perfect. Now let's make it more real.
Okay.
You want the driver to stop.
Yes.
So what do you say?
Hmm.
You say this. Can you stop here?
Oh. Can you stop here?
Perfect. Very important sentence. Or, please stop here.
Oh. Please stop here.
Perfect. Full situation.
Okay. Can you take me to the airport?
Sure.
How much will it cost?
Around $10.
Okay. Is this the fastest way?
Yes.
Oh. Can you stop here?
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect. Now, Mark, let's continue your ride.
Okay.
The driver says something,
Yes.
but you don't understand.
Oh no.
What do you do?
Hmm.
You say this. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Oh. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Perfect. Very natural. Or simpler, can you say that again?
Oh. Can you say that again?
Perfect. Now let's make it more real.
Okay.
The driver speaks too fast.
That happens a lot.
So what do you say? You say this. Could you speak more slowly?
Oh, could you speak more slowly?
Perfect. Very useful. Now let's add a change.
Okay.
You want to change your destination.
Oh,
So what do you say?
hmm.
You say this. Can we go to a different place?
Oh, can we go to a different place?
Perfect. Or, can you take me somewhere else?
Oh, can you take me somewhere else?
Perfect. Now let's talk about payment.
Okay.
You are ready to pay.
Yes.
So what do you say?
Hmm.
You say this. Can I pay by card?
Oh, can I pay by card?
Perfect. Very useful. Or, do you take cash?
Oh, do you take cash?
Perfect. Now let's combine everything.
Okay.
Real taxi situation.
All right. Hi, can you take me to the airport?
Sure.
How much will it cost?
Around $10.
Okay.
Turn left here.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Turn left.
Oh, okay. Could you speak more slowly?
Sure.
Can you take me somewhere else?
Yes.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Oh, great.
Perfect. That is real life English. Now, Mark, let's continue your ride.
Okay.
You arrive at your destination,
Yes.
but there's a small problem.
Oh.
The price is higher than expected.
Oh no.
So, what do you say?
Hmm.
You say this. That seems a bit high.
Oh, that seems a bit high.
Perfect. Very natural. Now let's make it more clear.
Okay.
You want to check the price.
Right.
So you say this. Is this the correct fare?
Oh, is this the correct fare?
Perfect. Very useful. Now another situation.
Okay.
You don't have enough cash.
Oh no.
So what do you say?
Hmm.
You say this. I don't have enough cash.
Oh, I don't have enough cash.
Perfect. Now let's fix the problem.
Okay.
You want another payment option.
Right.
So you say this. Can I pay another way?
Oh, can I pay another way?
Perfect. Now let's add a positive moment.
Okay.
The ride was good.
Yes.
So what do you say?
Hmm.
You say this. Thank you for the ride.
Oh, thank you for the ride.
Perfect. Now let's make it more natural.
Okay.
Add this. Have a nice day.
Oh, have a nice day.
Perfect. Very friendly. Now another real situation.
Okay.
You forgot something in the car.
Oh no.
So what do you say?
Hmm.
You say this. I left something in the car.
Oh, I left something in the car.
Perfect. Now you contact the driver.
Okay.
So you say this. Can I get it back?
Oh, can I get it back?
Perfect. Very useful. Now full real life situation.
Okay. Hi, can you take me to the airport?
Sure.
How much will it cost?
Around $10.
Okay. Can you stop here?
Sure.
That seems a bit high.
Let me check.
Is this the correct fare?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I don't have enough cash.
That's okay.
Can I pay another way?
Yes.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Now, Mark, how do you feel?
Honestly, much more confident.
Why?
Because now I know how to talk in a taxi.
Exactly.
Before, I felt awkward and confused.
And now?
Now I can ask, understand, and handle problems.
That's the key. You don't need perfect English, you need simple, clear sentences.
Yeah, that really helps.
Exactly. So tell me, what do you say first?
Easy. Can you take me to...
Good. If you don't understand?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Perfect. When you pay?
Can I pay by card?
Excellent. That is real-life English.
Yeah, I feel ready now.
Good. Keep practicing every day,
I will.
and you will improve step by step.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome.